Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've completed. This journal is sunflower themed and it's using a digital journal kit from ARTYmaze, and I will link her shop below. The journal kits are available in two sizes, normal size journal kit and a traveller's notebook. So I have used the full size one. I did shrink it down a little bit. I think I shrunk it down to 90%. Excuse me. I've done 3 signatures and I've used a clasp envelope. There is some crocheted trim on the spine and this lovely lace here on the front and the back. There is some sari silk and these little flowers here. It has a hitch post and it opens and closes just like that. This is from the kit, and when I printed it out, I knew I wanted to use that on the front cover. So let's go inside. Actually, what does it measure? I did have it written down somewhere, but I am in a chaotic mess in here at the moment. It measures 7 3/4 by 5.5 with a 1 3/4 inch spine. Like I said, 3 signatures. I think there's like 100 and something pages, 160 or 180, can't remember, but this will be listed on my Etsy, so all the details will be on there. So on the front cover, on the inside cover, sorry, I've got an envelope which is a pocket as well. Got some doily banner tag from the kit, some crocheted trim. I have used some other digital kits from, I think it's Tsunami Rose, and this is from the kit. And we have some little journaling cards there, and these two are from Tsunami Rose. The main pages are ARTYmaze. Excuse me. I've just drunk tea really quickly because I was really thirsty and it's now repeating. So we've got a flip up, flip down. This backing paper here is from the kit. This is also from the kit. Some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. I have noticed in my last few videos I keep clearing my throat. It's because I've got allergies at the moment, and it's just really bugging me, so I do apologise if it's annoying anyone. But I can't help it. So I've got a doily and a tag and a paper bag, some edge punching here, done some stamping. There is lots of room to journal. Here we've got a pocket from the kit, some ephemera, some tags, little seed packets here. We've just got some paper in there to journal on. Some Edith Holden and some music paper, some form of ledger paper here which flips out. Centre of a signature. I've just tied it in a knot, and in each one we have a tag and some ephemera and some little mason jars from the kit. And here is just the same. The other side of this ledger paper. You know, when you're doing something and you get a flashback to something. I've just had a flashback to, I think it was the last journal that I done, and I didn't put everything back in as I went along, and I think I've now sent it off with some of the things not in the pocket. So I was like, oh no, just had a little mini panic attack about that. So I can't remember who I sold it to, but I'm so sorry if you're watching this now and you receive the journal and things aren't in the pockets. I'm so sorry. It's been a hectic week. Doctors, hospital, foot problems, just crazy week. Some ephemera and another little seed packet. Some paper inside that's folded over. So, and this is another one of these. Like you've seen in my last video, I struggled to put it back together, but these are genius. This is from Terry Wood. Love these. I have to try the other ones. I did struggle with one of the other ones. For the life of God, I could not get the damn thing to fold the way it was supposed to. So I gave up. I was like, oh, I can't be doing this. Okay, this is a flip out for journaling, and up there, and it's also a belly band. We've just got some ephemera in here. It's been backed onto some white cardstock. Doily, couldn't think what that was called. A paper bag. Edge punching, stenciling, stamping. Love this page, love the butterflies. Here we've just got a top and bottom tuck with some a journaling card inside that, and an envelope with some paper to do some more journaling. And just put some of them flowers down there again. And that just slots in there like that. Some Edith Holden music paper, journaling paper. Inside here, this is centre of signature. So we've got 2 of these pockets, tags from the kit, handmade tag, and bingo cards from the kit. And it's more or less the same on the other side. That flips out. A little side pocket, some ephemera, journaling card from the kit. Just done some edge punching there. I like the fact that there is some nice kind of not plain, but like this paper here is within the sunflower kit, and it's nice to mix it up and have something that you can cut up and make into pockets and envelopes or tags or whatever. So it's nice that Andrea does that. So some more ephemera. I do that because a lot of us here in the UK cannot get hold of like the big massive paper packs, and the ones that you do, you can get hold of online, are extortionate. They are an arm and a leg to buy them. And some of them only have like 24 sheets in them, and you're paying like 20 and then like 20 to maybe £30 for, say, graphic 45 for instance. It's so expensive. Lovely papers, don't get me wrong, but I'm glad of all these digital designers who have got some lovely papers that we can print off at home and use. Oh, I didn't put something, didn't put anything in it. So I'll just pop that in there. Luckily I've got bits and bobs still left over from there. So we've just put 2 ephemera pieces in there. That folds out. Edith Holden. And that flips out. In here we have a tag and a ticket from the kit, and again here, and the pockets are from the kit. Another pocket here, tags, ephemera. And I think that's nearly at the end. Some ephemera and a little flip book. Some pages in there to journal. And this is just a flip up, flip down. And in the back here we have another envelope with a tag and some ephemera. So that is the journal. Really love this kit. Very pretty, very summery, some nice chunky. I like the feel of these. I hadn't done a clasp envelope journal in a while, and I done one the other day and I really like the feel of it. It's squishy. I like squishy journals. So like I said, all the links will be below. This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.